Yeah, good morning. So, wanna hear a play in our background? There's a video where leak with a policeman I do him thing. I make a big deal about it, about how a man I do it in a uniform and this and that and all different types of things. Them I say. My thing is, oh, sorry, me have to laugh. When he say tastes like Roman Reigns, another part the funny to me, just funny. Skilly Bing, what I say? Ice cream and my yam with the cone. Come juice stuck in night throat. She pissed on him like a ram goat. Anyways, but yeah, man, I have no problem with them and I have no pum pum if they want them pum pum. And my thing about the whole pum pum name thing is like, first of all, me I look on the girl right now, me would if me the pum pum never. You know what I mean? Say, me would have never name the girl there. Hell no. You know me sound shallow. And I know say enough woman out there wouldn't give me head either. To each its own, me just I say. Me would name the girl them. My woman have to look good, me like them body shape good, they petite, pum pum nice and whatever. Which draw me to my next point. Enough man when they say a fat ass, they look on a girl ass like damn yo, she got a fat ass and that we turn them on. Enough man we get cocky hard because of fat ass or whatever. That's a body. Yeah, I get hard over body. That not entice me really, I don't want a girl with no flat ass either, because she have a nice shape. But at the same time, a pum pum turn me on when I see a nice pum pum, a fat camel toe or something like that turn me on. Along with our beauty and our body and everything. So you feel me? That me I say. So me not understand how everybody talk about how a man in I'm uniform and I do this as disrespectful. Yo, when me didn't army enough girl me walking on my uniform. One thing me not make no girl tape me. I mean I make nobody have no access to no tape when me tape. You know what I mean? But at the same time that man we are big people. Jamaicans will stop the shit now. Years now they talk about this bowcat and bowers and okay, I can understand back in the idea. But now we know for a fact say 99% of everybody I do it. Every girl a bow, every girl I give head, every man a yam. I just saw it thing set a big people will be. As long as a girl now dirty too, also that apartheid. Like you're not gonna just do it to any girl, you're not gonna do it to just dirty girl or whatever. Even if I'm a bona fide woman, if me decide say me would I do it, not saying that I did it or I've done it or I will do it, but me just I say my girl would have to go wash that out clean like right before it act. You feel me? Like instantly, right before it. So I just saw me say part of the thing about yo, me not gonna lie, Squady look like a pro man. I do so head action, so tongue action. And man, I going nice to do. But I mean, I say, is this a girl? I look past she should have glad smarty and them her pum pum, even though she said she released a video. But at the same time, I don't understand what's going on. So I know a man may say, man, I'll say, want to kill himself, he want to commit suicide. Dog, you want to kill yourself over yamming pum pum. Me bumbo clot. You know what come around some of my American counterparts, them man, I make fun of them all the while because of how them do it. Them not care. Them when you everything and anything, no matter. I just saw they fresh off a period, anything, I saw them on the stay. Most of them, not all, majority, because of them things. It's in their culture. But anyway, Squady, big up yourself. Don't kill yourself over this idiotness. People if stop, do what them do, make a man feel like you want to take your life over something so stupid. But pass Squady, no man. Yeah.